Welcome to CAD Station. Today we are going to make this task 3, which is a vase. You can see here it's a vase. There are little description. You can read it from here. Basically, we have to take care of these dimensions, and at the end we have to make a shell. That's when we have to make a hollow vessel of, and the thickness is 1 mm. So let's start. First of all, we have to simply make a part. So here I'm going to select front plane, sketch. Now we have a line from region to left. Okay, double click to end the chain. Now make a line from here to vertical and here, escape. Now smart dimension, the first is 80. That's mean we have to make a, basically I'm let me select a color. Okay, I'm going to make a half of this vessel. That's mean it's shift little bit right, but okay. I am going to make this part, the left one. You can make the right one also, but I'm going to make left one. That's not a hard and fast rule. The bottommost line from here to here should be of 40. This one is of 40 mm. Okay, one more thing, here is millimeters. By default I have selected it, but if you are using in inches at the first, then you have to change from here. Next is 88.80. 88.80, that's the total. I am going to divide it by 2. Okay, now next is this circle is of 37.29. Okay, circle, make a circle here, another circle here, and one circle here. Okay, now a smart dimension, it is of 37.29. This one is of 37.29, but it's the radius, so I have to multiply by 2. Okay, the next one is, okay, one more thing, escape. Let's like this. Next is 22.96, smart dimension. This is of 22.96, or multiply by 2. I forget to multiply it by 2. Multiply by 2. Okay, now next is 61.47. This one is of 61.47 multiply by 2. Okay, now next is like this. Okay, now you can take this circle from here, and now select this circle, press Ctrl button, select this one and make a relation tangent. Now select this one and press Ctrl, select this one and make a relation tangent. Okay, now it's done. Okay, trim entities, we have to trim this one, and this one. Okay, one more thing, you can see this circle is not cutting the center line, so we have to take it, escape. You can see, okay, there is a problem. Let me check it. We have to take it to 80. It's okay. 88.8, it's also okay. Now what's the problem? Okay, Control Z, and till here, Control Z. This one is 22.96. 22.96, okay, it's okay. 74, yeah, it's okay. And this one is 61.47. okay, now little bit here. Now try to, okay, now select this one and tangent. Okay, this one and this one, tangent. Okay, you can see it's going right? You can see, yeah. Now this time trim entities, we have to trim this one. No, I'm doing the wrong. Control C. This time we have to the inner one, the outer one, the inner one. Now it's done. Next is okay. We have to features, and here revolved boss base. Click on this and select this line as axis of rotation, and okay, it's done. Now next is we have to make a shell of thickness 1 mm. So for this, in features tab you have the shell. Select the upper top face and 1 mm, and okay, you can see it's going to be hollow. Here you can see this one is showing it's hollow. Okay, let me show you. Appearance green. You can see uh, the inner part of this circle is green color. That's when it's hollow part. I'm doing this just for you to understand. That's overall is hollow. Next, simply appearance. Okay, control 7 to take it to isometric view. And now for some better look, you can select this or simply select shell appearance and change its color to okay, and this is giving the shade that's look good. Okay, here our was is completed. You can see from this sketch and this final was. Hopefully you can understand this tutorial. We have done only the 2D sketch and we use the revolved boss base, and at the end we do a shell to make a hollow this vessel. That's all for today. Hope you can understand the procedure. In the end, the only thing you have to subscribe the cat station and share to your friends. Thank you.